Hey future dentist, welcome back to the channel. And if you are tracking Tamil Nadu BDS admissions under the government quota, this is the update you have been waiting for. The round 3 cutoff list is finally out, and guess what? From Government Dental College Chennai closing at 499 to Ragas Dental College at 490, the ranks have seen some interesting shifts this round. So stay tuned till the end because we'll also talk about what these numbers mean for you for your upcoming stray vacancy round chances. So let's talk about the BDS program, and it's under the government quota, state rank list, Tamil Nadu round 3 cutoff analysis. Okay, so over here, if I just talk about the Government Dental College and Hospital, the highest closing rank, it is 499. Government Dental College and Hospital, Kudallur, it's 482, the highest closing rank. Adi Parashakti Dental College and Hospital, 472. I'm talking about the government quota. Now, Aslan Memorial Dental College and Hospital, Chengalpattu, Kanchipuram district, it's 446. Rest you can just have a look. I'm just taking the colleges, talking about them in a random way, okay? Because it's not possible to cover all the colleges in one particular video. So over here, Best Dental Science College Madurai, the highest closing rank, it is 449. It's Chettinad Dental College and Research Institute, Kanchipuram, 485 is the highest closing rank. CSI College of Dental Science and Research, Madurai, 448 is the highest closing rank. Moving ahead, Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan Dental College, 449. Now, KSR Institute of Dental Science and Research, 456 is the highest closing rank. Now, it's basically Karpaga Vinayaka Institute of Dental Sciences, okay, Kanchipuram district, the highest closing rank is 465. Herein you can have a look, KSR Institute of Dental Science and Research, Tiruchengood, it's 343, the highest closing rank, okay. Moving ahead and let's talk about Nanda Dental College and Hospital, Erode, 471 is the highest closing rank. Ragas Dental College and Hospital, Chennai, the highest closing rank is 490. RVS Dental College and Hospital, Coimbatore, it's 459, the highest closing rank. Moving ahead and talking about Sri Ramakrishna Dental College and Hospital, Coimbatore, 453 is the highest closing rank. Herein you can have a look onto this particular college, Sri Mukambika Institute of Dental Sciences, Kanyakumari, the highest closing rank is 278. It's absolutely, the competition is very tough, isn't it? Yeah, looking at the cutoff ranks basically. Now, Vivekananda Dental College for Women, okay, Ilayam Palayam Namakkal, 464 is the highest closing rank. So people, that's your complete breakdown of the Tamil Nadu BDS round 3 government quota cutoffs. And we have seen how the top government and private colleges are tightening their closing rank. But here's the good news. The next upcoming round could still open up opportunities. So stay tuned and yeah, stay alert. All the very best.